Good morning, you guys. It is, I don't know what time it is. This is a Samsung top-loading washing machine. Activewash, not Active Dual Wash, Activewash Plus. Power technology, 6.5 kilograms plus 1. Now I set this on quick wash. It's at 32. And water level I set it to 4. Because it's 5 is not a big load. And it's a little bit more. I think if you open the lid, you can see what's in. Now, we're going to close the lid now. And now what happens if you turn off the water? It stops filling. And now, now it starts to fill up. Filling up. And now we're going to close the lid again. So yeah, this is the keyboard and this is motherboard. I will take video of the rinses. 1 minute for helpful. Please post comments.